Hi everyone, welcome to codecanvas. This channel is all about web development. Whether you are a beginner or experienced developer, you will find tutorials, tips, and the latest trends in web development here. Don't forget to subscribe and join our community. Let's dive in. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to fix the error cookies are blocked due to unexpected output in WordPress. So sometimes you might have faced this kind of error in WordPress, especially when you are trying to log in into admin or dashboard in WordPress. So the error says cookies are blocked due to unexpected output, nothing else. So you might be having some thoughts about cookies that due to some reasons cookies are blocked, but the reasons are completely different behind this issue. So it's a common issue that can prevent you from logging or accessing your WordPress dashboard, and it will leave you stuck at the worst possible time. Sometimes you want to log in into dashboard to update the data or image or content, whatever, and this error often pops up after a small tweak, let's say editing a theme or activating a plugin, right? So this is fixable, we can fix it. So in this particular video we will show a quick ways to debug and fix this particular issue. So there are four different solutions to this issue, and we will see one by one. So before that, the question is, what is the reason behind this cookies are blocked due to unexpected output error? So WordPress runs a specific set of instructions in the background to keep your site working smoothly. If something interrupts this process, WordPress can start behaving in unexpected ways. So in this case, the error happens because WordPress couldn't set the login cookie here, right? Even though the rest of the code loaded correctly. And sometimes it will block you or the super admin from logging into your WordPress website. So there are few common causes of this error. First is the extra white space in PHP files. So sometimes unintended spaces or blank lines in PHP files like wp-config.php or plugin files can cause this problem. So for example, this is my WordPress setup and this is what wp-config.php file, and here due to some extra white space, so not here but like any other place in this PHP file or any other PHP file like plugin files or theme files, the extra white space, for example here at the end of this file, so extra white space, right? So this space is already there but it won't cause any problem, but the extra white space can cause this problem. Another reason is plugin conflicts. Sometimes a plugin can output unexpected content interfering with cookies. Third reason is, or maybe, outdated WordPress core plugins or themes. So, running older versions can lead to compatibility issues and errors. The next reason is custom code. If you have recently added the custom code in your site, let's say in theme file, it might be the reason. And the last reason can be hosting environment issues. This is rare case, right? But yeah, it can be the reason. So how to fix this? So let's start with the common issue that can fix this issue, common option. So one of the most common reason for this error is extra white space in your WordPress files. So these spaces can appear before the opening PHP file. So for example, this is wp config file, and here this is called extra white space. And after the closing PHP file, PHP tag in PHP files can cause these issues. So how can you fix that? To fix that, you just need an FTP client. For example, in this particular example, I have this localhost environment, so I can edit these files in this particular editor. But if your website is live on production, you need FTP client, and or you can use the file manager as well on control panel. And once you locate the correct file like wp-config.php, here by mistake you may have added the blank space. You need to locate the file, open the file, and remove this white space. So once you do that, save the changes and it may fix your problem, right? If this error still occurs, then you need to repeat this step for commonly added or edited WordPress files, like your current activated themes functions.php file. And that's the most common function file which can cause this issue. So don't forget to check out your functions.php file, and it will fix your issue. Okay. If this issue is not getting fixed by removing the white space, then the second option, as mentioned here, deactivate all the plugins temporarily. So, what do I mean? Sometimes a plugin conflict can create unexpected output in the WordPress, and it may lead you this error: cookies are blocked due to unexpected error. So, you can disable all plugins on a temporary base. So how you can do that? In the WordPress dashboard, you can go to plugins and install plugins, and there you have option to disable all the plugins at once. But for example, you don't have access to WordPress admin like this. You don't have access to WordPress admin here, right? So you need to go again to FTP or File Explorer. Here into WP content, you just need to rename this folder. For example, let's backup. So backup underscore plugins. Once you rename this, if the problem is with plugins, you will be able to access the WordPress admin. And once you get the exact idea, you can rename this again to plugins, and you can rename the plugins one by one. For example, to check if issue is there with this Akismet plugin, then you need to rename this plugin. You can rename to anything, backup underscore Akismet, and so and so. In that way, you can decide and you can debug which plugin is causing this issue. So once you get the culprit plugin, you just need to reinstall it, or you might need to delete that plugin and find the alternative. The next option is switch to a default WordPress theme. So your WordPress theme could also cause this error. A theme conflict might happen due to the outdated code or unexpected output from the customizations. So, to fix this issue, again, you need to switch to a default WordPress theme. So, right now, we have default WordPress theme as 2025. So, whatever default theme you have, you can active that theme, and you can debug if the theme is causing this problem. So once you get the idea that the new theme or current theme is creating the problem, you may need to debug more to get the exact idea. Okay, so the third way, or the fourth option is to debugging with wp underscore debug mode. So after these steps, if the issue still continues, Then enabling WordPress debugging mode can help you to identify the exact cause of this error. So the WP underscore debug mode is a built-in feature that logs errors and warnings, and it is making it easier to find what's causing this unexpected output. So to enable this WP underscore debug mode, you need to access this file, that is WP underscore config file, and locate your code here. And it says that somewhere here, yeah, here. So right now I already have this WP underscore debug as false. You need to make it true. With this, you can also define another constant called WP underscore debug underscore log, and you need to make it true. And you can also define, let me add, define another constant. It is WP underscore debug underscore display, and make it true. So these are the constants, right? So the first constant, that is WP underscore debug, this enables the debugging. The second one creates a log file to store error messages. And this third one, WP underscore debug underscore display, this particular PHP constant hides error from being displayed on your website. So what you can do, instead of true, you can make it false. So it will hide all the errors from your website. So once you save this and try to load your WordPress, it will create a log file here in WP content folder as debug.log file, and you can open it and review the errors and warnings in that file, so you will get the better idea. All right, so we try to fix this issue with these four different options. Let's see how can you prevent the error in the future. So once you have fixed this issue, it's good idea to take the prevention steps that will prevent it from happening again. So first step, you can ensure your WordPress site has automated backups. So WordPress backups are really essential to keeping your site safe, and an easy way to restore your site in case of any error. So you can use duplicator plugin for the backups, the regular backups. You can also automate the backups. You can also use WP code plugin to add the custom code. So instead of adding custom code to your themes function.php file, you can use WP code plugin. And this is really good plugin if you need to add the custom code into your WordPress website. The last option is keep your WordPress site up to date. So you will need to ensure that you install WordPress for WordPress. I mean, you update the WordPress core, the plugins, and themes on regular basis, and it will prevent compatibility issues and errors by outdated software. It's recommended to update your WordPress version to the latest one, as well as the PHP version to the latest one. That will really help to make your website to load faster, as well as it will help you to minimize the errors like this. All right, so in this video we try to look at how to fix cookies are blocked due to unexpected output error in WordPress. All right, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow web developers. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Do you have any questions or topics you would like me to cover? Drop them in the comments below. Let's keep building amazing web experiences together. See you in the next video. Bye.